Here's another scammer. I liked your last trade. Really? I'm gonna, like, this is a scammer. He says that these bunny hats are glitched or hacked or something, and I made sure I checked, and this is a freedom bunny hat, so it's not really, except the blue short. Also, which one should I trade for? So he's your choice. So like he's saying, or she, I think it's she, but maybe it's a he. He's an Undertale fan. See, these are people, bad people, bad people. I'll just slap this dude for it. So obviously we're going to just like, obviously trade this purple short, but we're not going to let him accept. Reject. Scammer. Wait. So, yelling at me. So we're gonna just lie to say that. Wait. So we're gonna just go right here and we're going to check. So bunny hats, animal jam. So it should pull me up to Wikipedia. It should put me up to Wikipedia. So see, as you see, or Wikia, I call it Wikipedia for some reason. So as you see, it's a non-member, and it'll show me the colors of all of them. And all of them will basically see. So he has the pink one, I'm pretty sure. So let's go back and check. I'm glad you are. I mean, oops, I didn't mean to move. Oh well. So he has a pink one. He says it's hacked. Oh my god, is this the only colors? These are not the only colors. Oh wait, do I have to scroll? I think I do. Oh yes, of course. Then he has this yellow, bright yellow one. I might buy that one because I thought his outfit was cute. And then he also has the freedom one, which I can't find. Where's the freedom one? I guess they don't have it there, but there's a freedom one as well. How are they hacked? Just wondering. So we're just gonna just see what he says, and then if he says some bull shoes, then we know. Indeed, some bull shoes. Come on, just say it already. What? How? How do you do these magical things? Kingasgorfree, come on. Tell me your magical ways. Oh my god, I got Google Plus notifications. I'm so popular. And I got a lot of Wattpad messages. I'm gonna have to look at them later. Oh, I edited the size. BRB refreshing laggy. You edited the size. The size. Wait, on your body or on your animal? Honestly, that's confusing. You edited the size on your animal? Or the hat on your animal? So as you see, he's saying he shrunk or okay, so he made the item bigger. BRB friend calling. So we're gonna go to my very beautiful big boy. My beautiful big boy. So my old account, basically, we're going to basically use that one to check. Click. Oh, it doesn't work. Okay, so let's go to where we were going earlier. And, oh, we can't do that. Oh, shoot. Shoot McShootkins. Okay, BRB. So we couldn't use that account because basically it was a non-member. So we're going to sneak over to the little thing right here and check by using our fox right here to see if it's really that big or did he change the size to it. Because I don't believe it at all. Okay, oops. Whoa. Oh, they added a new one. Okay, and he didn't change the size. KK. So let's switch to my animal and go to this guy. Oh, Asgore. Where do you go, King Asgore? There we go. Okay. Going to his house now. Yeah, I bet he didn't even look at my player card. Okay. Sorry. Back. Oh, my battery's dying. I got you on camera. Say hi. Oh, that dislike you now. Right. So as you see, I'm gonna go stand next to him, and you see no size difference. Yeah, I'm older than I look or I seem. Oh my god. So as you see, this is a scammer. He's trying to play me for a fool. He's trying to play me like a fiddle, and it doesn't work with me, man. Doesn't work. Yeah, sure. Make that excuse all the time. So I guess that's it for today, guys. Go report this dude. His name is Kingasgorfree. He is a very, very big Undertale fan. So I guess we'll just discuss this later. I guess it'll be a peace out for now. I'm sorry that this is so very long, because I'm just trying to show you guys that this person is bad. So I'll see you guys later. Peace.